Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the third part from the topic more about the new keys for grade 5. Okay, so if you have not gone through the previous video, please go through that first and then come to this part. So let's straight away start the question number 6, where it says write one octave B flat harmonic minor scale in minims, ascending and then descending. That means we have to go upwards and then downwards in ascending, and we need minims. That means we need a half note. Okay, harmonic minor. So let's find out first. B flat harmonic minor is your relative for your D flat major scale. Okay, remember that D flat major scale and your B flat minor, they are relatives. Okay, so now we know that for B flat D flat major we have 5 flats. Okay, now so which are those flat? So remember I told you the formula to remember it, that bead B E A D goes. So these are the 5 flat notes we need to put in our key signature. Okay, so let's make the key signature first, and this is a bass clef, so the position will be changing. So we start from B here, then we go to E, then we go to A, then we go to D, and then we go to G. Okay, now let's start the scale. So we start from B, so let's start from here, second line. So C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. Then we go back down, back, and we finish. Okay, now for for harmonic minor we need to raise our 7th degree. 7th degree is in this scale, we know we have B, C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. So B is flat, D is flat, E is flat, A is flat, and G is flat. And the 7th degree is A flat. So now if we have to raise from flat, it will become a natural. Okay, so we have to put, this is our 1st degree, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th degree. So we'll put a natural in front of the note. Then it becomes a harmonic minor. And while going back also, we have to put, it will become natural only. Okay, I hope you understood this. So while we're playing also, we have to change the 7th degree, raise it by a semitone, and while going descending order also. So now let's make them as minim. So here we go. Okay, so that is how we finish this question. Okay, so that is how we finish this question. Let's move to the next one. Okay, so next one, it says write one octave C sharp melodic minor scale with the crotchet going up then down. Same way, going up, ascending, and then descending. The crotchet beat we need to use. and the C sharp melodic minor, which is relative of E major. Relative of E major. So remember, E major and C sharp minor are relatives. Okay. Now in E major, we know we have four sharps. So that means, what are those four sharps? That is, fat cat goes down. So these four notes will be sharp. Okay. So let's put the key signature first. So this is treble clef, and we start with our F. So here is F, C, G, and D. Okay. Now we have to go from down to up, and we have to use the key signature. So we have already used the key signature. Now let's start from down. So we start from C. So C, let's start from middle C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, going back down. Okay. Now in this one, we know we are talking about melodic minor. So in what happens in melodic minor, that we have to raise the sixth and the seventh degree by a semitone. Okay, remember, sixth and the seventh degree by a semitone. So let's find out. This is the first degree, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 degree. Now, remember one thing, while in melodic minor, while we playing ascending order, we have to raise the note by a semitone, sixth and seventh degree. But when we doing it descending, we have to come back to the natural position what they had. Okay. So in this way, we have the sixth degree. Sixth degree is our A. So A becomes sharp here. Seventh degree is B, so it goes B sharp. And while descending order, we go back to natural. Okay. Remember that in harmonic minor, the way we go up, same way we go back down. But in melodic minor, we have, while going up is different than the going back down. Okay. Now let's make them as a crochet beat. Okay, so here we finish our this question as well. Now let's move to the third one. So third one says, write one octave A flat major scale in crochet ascending and then descending. That means ascending and descending crochet beats and A flat major. Do not use a key signature, but write the necessary accidental. That means we don't have to put our key signature in this one, but we put them as a accidental there. Okay. So let's do it. So in A flat major, we know A flat major has four flats in it. Which are those four flats? Remember the formula: bead, B, E, A, and D. So these four will be flat here. Okay. And this is our tenor clef. So let's put the uh, not put the key signature. We have to go to the accent. Okay, that becomes easier for your life. So what we have to do, we'll start from A. So that is our third line here. Let's start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Then we go back down. And we finish here on A. Now let's put, first make the stems. Okay, now let's put the accidentals. So we know we need B. So let's, for your, we'll write down the notes. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, and A. So here we know the B, A is flat. So we put flat in front of A. The B is flat. Then D is flat. Then the E is flat. Okay. And here A, this is flat. Now while coming back, same thing happens. So we'll write flat here. Then B and A. Okay. We are putting these brackets because we have to show that while coming back also they'll stay the same. Okay. So this is how we do this one. I hope you have understood. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. And we'll keep uploading my videos. Please share, like, and subscribe. It will really gonna help me out. Thank you.